Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can enable second space in your Redmi 13C smartphone. You can see it is not available in it. When you just type here second space, you can see it is showing second clock. When you just click on it, it is not there anymore. How you can enable this feature? Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. You can see in my another phone, you can see it is showing. When I just click on the second on the search bar, it is showing second space. You have to turn on this and the new user is open. And how you can do this in your Redmi 13C smartphone? Press back. First you have to open about phone and you have to click on, and friends, then you have to click on MIUI version 4 to 5 times like this. And friends, you can see you are now a developer. Press back. Friends, you can see developer option is enabled in your settings. You can see this. Just enable this and you have to just press you have to just scroll down and search. You can see reset to default value. If you are not finding from if you have not finding this, then you can search from here on the search bar. After on this developer mode, reset value, you can see. And friends, you can see when I just type reset to value, it is the setting reset to default value. Click on it and you can see this reset to value. You have to press 3 to 4 times like this and you can see it is enabled now. And you have to just turn off this MIUI optimization and press back friends. You can see it new this found multiple users. You can also call multiple users to second space. Click on this multiple user. You have to allow this first. You can see you owner. If you want another guest, then click on add guest. You can see it is creating a new guest. It has the same meaning. In some other phone it is written that you can see second space, like in some phone it has written multiple users. You can see, click on it. You have to click on guest, switch to guest mode, and you can see it is switching right now. Your data is shifting and a new guest is appearing. And friends, you can see in one phone you can use 2 user experience, like in laptop and monitor. You can see these features and there is no app data. You can see, I show you in the file manager app. You can see there is no data, is totally a new user. You can see nothing is there. They are totally zero. And if you want to shift to your own user, then how you can just click on the settings option and then you have to scroll down and click on multiple users. You can see this. Click on it and then you can see this allow multiple users. You can use also guest mode. I have used guest. If you want a new user, you can click on this more button. And friends, here it is a delete guest from this device. Click on it. You can see delete yourself. Delete this and it is switching to the owner. You can see all the data is appeared now. You can see all apps are here. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.